Hi, I'm Janisha Cheda, Application Scientist at Shimadzu Scientific Instruments. In this video, I will show you how to set limit switches for the AGS-X test frames.
The purpose of the limit switch on the AGS-X is to limit the travel of the crosshead to prevent components from colliding with each other. It is triggered when a bracket on the crosshead contacts the switch, causing it to actuate. Before you set the limit switch, you need to confirm that the accessories you'll be using for your test are attached to the test frame. In this case, we have wedge grips for a tensile test. Next, identify the collision points by inspecting the testing space. In this case, we can see that the grips will collide if the crosshead is jogged down too far, or the upper joint will hit the yoke if we jog the crosshead up too high. Move the crosshead down to a position just before the grips collide. This will become your lower limit. Then, pinch the lower limit switch and slide it up until it comes into contact with the bracket on the crosshead. Now repeat this process for the upper limit. Move the crosshead up to a position just before the joint collides with the yoke. This will become your upper limit. Pinch the upper limit switch and slide it down until it comes into contact with the bracket on the crosshead. Now you can confirm the limit switches are working properly. Cautiously jog the crosshead toward each of the limit switches at a slow speed. If the limits are set properly, an audible alarm will sound, and alarm code 2, crosshead limit was activated, will be displayed on the operation panel display. Make sure to account for the actuation distance of the limit switch. There is some additional travel that occurs after the switch makes initial contact with the crosshead bracket. Place the limit switch in a position where the alarm is activated before a collision. Also, do not place the limit switches to the lower and uppermost positions. The limit switch must be moved to deactivate the alarm. If the switches are placed in the outermost positions, it will be impossible to deactivate the alarm. For more information on Shimadzu Universal Test Frames, visit www.shimadzumaterialscience.com.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.